Like, I ain't got no boobs. It's okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Today we're making vegan gumbo. Let's get started. Okay guys, so this is gonna be a new segment on my channel where I have non-vegans cooking cruelty-free. Can they do it? I don't know. But here we have my guest chef.
Hi, I'm Terry.
Are you from New Orleans?
Yes.
Yes! Like, I'm so excited. Yes.
This vegan gumbo, we gonna see.
Alright guys, we are now making the rice. I'm going to try to do as many voiceovers and speed this video up as fast as possible, but it's gumbo, so it's long. Also, I'm going to put all the estimates in the description box. So now we on, okay, it's on medium. We're doing the roux, okay.
So I'm adding grapeseed oil. Let's do about half a cup. I'm not measuring nothing. That's okay though.
That's alright.
Now we're going to add our flour.
That's about what, 1/4 cup?
Maybe. And we're just gonna give it a good stir. Make sure all that is, what's the word?
Incorporated?
Maybe. And you just keep stirring. I'm gonna turn this down.
What happens if you stop stirring?
If you stop stirring it, it's gonna boil and you're gonna be very, very upset.
Yes, we don't want that. We don't want that.
I'm gonna turn it down some.
So now we're on
simmer.
We're in between low and medium now. So about how long have to let this stir?
I'd say for about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on you, depending on how much you want, how dark you might want it.
Okay.
Okay, y'all, so right now it's been about 10 minutes altogether since we started the roux, and as you can see, it's getting a good little caramel complexion.
Yes.
And so really you're just gonna keep stirring so that it doesn't stick and it doesn't burn, and especially in that middle part. The middle's always the hottest, so you just gonna keep moving it around. You're gonna have to switch it out, do a little two-step.
Yes.
I added about 1/4 cup of flour to it, just to give it a little bit more thickness. And also make sure you keep an eye on your rice. I have to add a cup of water to mine, and let's just turn that down. And it's almost done actually.
Oh yeah.
It's almost done. Okay. All right, y'all. It's been about 5 more minutes. Now, what we're gonna do once you get to this, it went from a caramel to peanut butter.
Yes. Come on.
So we're gonna get your ingredients. So we are using
Here, I'll hold it to
a seasoned blend. Let's cut this.
And this is from Walmart, right?
Mm-hmm. Of course, you can always use the fresh. I just wanted to do that. Can you open this for me? I don't want this to burn.
Go ahead. Put it in there.
Half cup. And I'm gonna put it on all the way low. And we're just gonna give that a good swirl. Really starting to do a little something.
Ooh, that look good. It's just ruined vegetables, honey.
Okay, now that is just, oh my goodness. Get a close up of that.
Oh, I'm gonna get a close up of that. Ooh, ooh. No, it don't.
So we're gonna add that in slowly. And we're pouring that in slowly, a little bit at a time, and make sure that you mix it and you stir it really, really good and get that good creamy consistency. You see how that, it changed colors, it lightened up a little bit. Now it's not burning back black.
What consistency are we ultimately looking for?
Oh, it's gonna be the whole thing.
Oh, okay.
And then we're gonna add some water later on once we get all of that that stock in there. And this is veggie stock too. And we're just gonna pour the rest of that off in there. I want to add, I'm gonna go ahead and add another, not the whole thing, but another half can of vegetable broth.
Okay. So this was 32 ounces, just so y'all know. So she does another half. That's half of 32 is 16.
Altogether 48.
Remedial math, y'all.
Alright, so we're gonna add some Tonys. Don't ask me how to pronounce his last name. I'm from New Orleans. It's Shasherus, maybe?
Yeah, maybe.
Don't count me out, y'all. I'm book smart.
Yay, there we go.
Alright, add a little bit of that.
All right, again, seasonings. This roux is very important. This is also the base of the whole gumbo. So here we are adding all the seasonings. You see it on the screen. And also I put estimated measurements down below. As you see, she's not measuring. She's just cooking with love, cooking with love.
This is gumbo filet by Zatarain's, not foul. Because what this is a thickener for the base. And it is made out of sassafras leaves. What's sassafras?
I don't know what that is either. Then again, I would have said gumbo foul. So
and this has been in my cabinet my whole life. So that's how much I'm adding in there.
Where'd you get that from?
I took it from my house. You can find it in most Walmarts. Like sometimes, well, in New Orleans, the corner store even have it.
Oh wow. Okay.
But up here, like I couldn't find it, but it should have been at Walmart, but it wasn't. Not at the one that we went to.
Yeah, what you doing now?
Taking some bay leaves.
Okay.
And just tossing that in there. Too, because they thick.
Oh, okay.
They thick. And that's just for flavor. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and let that turn it up for a real one.
Okay. So now we're a little bit above medium.
Oil.
All right. So we ready to chop some meat in there? Okay. Alrighty. All right. So chef number 2, y'all. Y'all seen him. You know, it's Mike stay working back in the building. You know what I mean? He wanted to cut the meat up. He's so happy, y'all. He's so proud. What you using today?
This will be some field roast.
Yeah. Show him in the camera.
Go ahead and just stir this on up in this pot. Alright, so we're going to use a little more Tony's. Since it has an Italian blend to it already, we're going to give it that New Orleans flavor. Okay. I'm from Georgia though, so I don't know nothing about gumbo. I'm learning myself.
Alright.
So some more Cajun Creole, just because this might have something that Tony don't got.
Okay.
A little bit of basil. Put a little crisp on it, but you know, not too crispy. Don't want it Wesley Snipes brown. Wesley my boy though.
Okay, now we're adding another 1/4 cup of the seasoning blend. Stir that into the sausage. Put sausage to the side. All right, using that same pan, do not wash it out, guys. Add another, I don't know, dollop of oil and put in your garden chicken. Do not use the teriyaki pack. I shouldn't have to say that, but just in case. Turn it down to medium or what? A little bit lower, medium low?
Yeah.
I'm so excited. More excited that I'm not even cooking. That's what I'm really excited about. Ooh, okay.
Enough.
Yep, that's definitely enough.
So I said it's enough.
Okay.
Just for kicks of it, a little bit of that.
A little bit more of this.
Just a little bit.
Okay.
There we go. And just round that on up. It's gonna be good.
We're nervous that we put the meat in too soon because it's vegan, y'all. We ain't trying to have it melt. I want a piece too because it look good.
No, don't put no salt up in there because it got salt up in the thing.
Go ahead and put this in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Hit it.
By itself, it wouldn't even sound. Other than that, I flavored it pretty good.
Well, you did flavor that pretty good. I was nervous when you had shaking what season it was. And that's been covered for about what? Maybe 5 minutes?
5 minutes.
Yep.
So now we gotta put this in here. I'm gonna stir this up. So straight on out of here.
Okay, now it's starting to look like some.
We're gonna stir this up.
Because see, with that, it's stringy, and I don't mind it being stringy. But that is gonna crumble. The sausage is going to crumble.
Gotcha.
That's gonna be good though.
I mean, yeah, but you don't want to be
Covering that back up.
Cover that back up.
Okay.
And I'm gonna get out the way.
Okay.
No. Put the back.
Put it back. We need that seasoned pan.
For the shrimp. Okay.
Okay.
It's just going in the same place.
That's true.
But I always do the seafood last
Gotcha.
Yeah.
All right, now we cut up 4 pieces of okra that you are also going to add to the pan, and more seasoning blend for your shrimp. About a 1/4 cup, I believe.
And what I'm doing is just getting all that goodness, that kind of boing to the pan. That extra flavor.
And now you're adding your okra to your gumbo. Personally, I would add it more, but Chef said not to. 3 cups of water. This is about a 1/4 size bag of shrimp that we got from Metro Chef out in Duluth. Add that on in. The bag comes way larger, way larger. Now we learned that the shrimp texture was way off. Even though this was delicious, the shrimp texture was definitely off. So boil your shrimp first, please. Well, I'm about to say, I can tell you're missing something, Chef. I can tell.
Cause like right now, it tastes more like gravy than anything. We're making a stew.
Gonna add some more salt.
And this is a good consistency, actually. That okra will cook down.
So I'm about to stir this. Is that okay? Cool.
And this is why I'm gonna have a personal chef when I grow up. Look, Mike's stirring with love, y'all. Y'all see this? Mike been ready for this part?
Yeah.
We did add a little parsley off camera, y'all. My bad, I didn't turn it on quick enough.
Put the meat in.
It is now time.
I worked hard on this sausage.
You did. You cut it up with love and sheared words. Yes. So like, is it ready, or do we have to let it simmer some more?
I'll say give it 5 more minutes for the sausage to get the.
Okay, I'll get the flavor in there. Okay.
Let's simmer.
That top on.
Chef is taking a little break over there. I'm back. Like, I cooked this, y'all, so it's done. We let it simmer for like maybe another 5-10 minutes. Okay. All right. Y'all can't even see that. I'm sorry. I'll bring it. Hold on, let's slow motion it. And I already put the jasmine rice on the bottom. Okay. Okay. Now this is just for the thumbnail. I ain't gonna taste this without you. Look, she's so nervous. Chef, it's okay, Chef. It's okay. I'm selling this for $12.50, y'all. $12.50.
15. Price just went up.
Oh my God. Okay.
Price just went up.
Girl,
I did some shit.
you did that. I'm just talking because it's quiet. It's good. Bye. I don't even want to talk to y'all.
I want to sit down.
I don't want to talk to you. I just want to, we just want to go bye. Okay. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.